earth. For real. We are one. That's right. One people.
All right. Today on Cooking with Ram, we're gonna grill up some organic, free-range chicken drumsticks and some Louisiana hot links, some spicy hot links, smoked sausage with chicken, beef, and pork. All right, so we're gonna get the grill ready, and then we're gonna throw these on there. We're gonna marinate these in some seasoning, and we're gonna slice these up, and then we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, Cooking with Ram. All right, so next step is get your grill going, and you want to make sure you don't use too much coal. You want to use just enough for what you're gonna cook. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big flame, and it'll take longer to be ready to put your food on there, and just makes it a lot harder. So get yourself some match light so you don't got to struggle with it and throw all kinds of liquid in there. And yeah, it gets going in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and pretty quickly there. So we're gonna go ahead and come back in a few minutes. All right, right here we got our chicken grilling, and we've got it on the outer part of the grill because we don't want all the juice that spills down and it just kind of makes it all crazy here, starts splashing all over the place. So put it around the outer part. Right here we got some veggies that we cut up, and those look real good. Looks like we got some mushrooms, some onion, carrots, and some zucchini. So that's also on the outer part right there. And yeah, we'll let that go for a while. They're looking really good. These are organic, free-range drumsticks. So we cleaned them, seasoned them, let them marinate for a while, and now we got them on the grill. All right, so we'll come back in a little bit with Cooking with Ram, grilling some chicken, veggies, and we got some sausage links that we're gonna put on here too. All right, peace. All right, so here it is. We got our organic chicken drumsticks right here along the outside of the grill. We've got our Louisiana hot links here, and these you gotta be careful. You gotta make sure you constantly flip them.
Connected in the earth. For real. We are one. That's right. One people. Yeah. One mind, one soul. This is a celebration of our roots, our culture, our heritage.